that's doing so well on the market already. And yeah, it's
because you call Daddy Andre over.
why not? Yeah, he's a great producer. This is the second hit he has written for me, Ochitegera. So you roll with what's going.
What happened between you and your manager in the black market?
I wouldn't like to go into so many details, but just know that I'm still with Black Market Records, but I'm not signed under Black Market. Black Market, I partnered with them to distribute, for example, now the Wendy album. You know? So they are distributing the Wendy album, but I'm not signed. But with the manager, it just didn't work out. It's unfortunate, yeah.
Congratulations. You can turn your right.
Thank you.
Are you back in love?
Ate in love with who?
Nedda
bambi. That is so not true. Luli abasajja babadde bangala nkunkwana nga babadde bagamba mbagenda kumpa BV8 and old ones. But that on condition I marry them. Of course I can't. Ukitegeera. So nabigana nebirabo byabwe nabigana. Because you can't just be with a man on the street from anywhere because and you're not sure. Ukitegeera.
But tuli mu economy, people are crying, artists are crying. For you are buying new rides, you're bringing new rides.
I thank my parents. I thank His Excellency Professor Angella Katatumba, my dad who passed. May he rest in peace. I thank my mom, Gertrude Katatumba, who's alive. I mean, if it wasn't for them creating such a legacy for us, what would we do? You know what I'm saying? So thank God for them. Yeah, it's because of them. Just for music.
Naye abantu beebuuza nti Angella Katatumba, you're 40 years and above, but toli
Who says that? That is you will continue guessing my age, banange. You'll continue. If I'm telling you that I have time, who are you to say I don't have time? Ukitegeera? Nze sijja kubagamba myaka byange kubanga temuli magezi mu kuyogera bya myaka. Ukitegeera? I'm not interested in that. So you will continue guessing. But I'll do things at my timing.
You look beautiful, you have money. Kiki kyekigaanya okuba nti ofuna omusajja gw'oyagala?
Kubanga nina choices, I don't have to settle. Abawala bangi bali wano basettlinga kubanga they want security, kubanga they want to depend on someone because they were raised kunoonya omusajja wabeereyo, he takes care of them. But I am lucky I don't have those problems because I'm independent. I was raised to be independent. So when you're independent or ina choices, you can say sigenda naawe leero okitegeera no yes no. I can decide what I want. So siri kasigiri, sina pressure.
According to the people who are near you, n'engamba ezitambula bagamba nti oyagala abasajja g'osobola okontrolinga akoleza ku bupale.
The problem is that mwe bantu mwe muwulira mbwe woman is independent mulowooza nti no njagala kuba controllinga. No, I don't have to control anyone. I just want somebody who will work with me. Njagala a partner. Because you guys are so used to putting women down, nobateka wansi, si kirungi. Okitegeera? So nze sijja kukiriza. For me, I want a man, we work together, we raise each other up.
Naye you have everything. Waliko married by the way. Mu America kiki ekyagaana okuba nti obufumbo bugenda maaso nawe. Ate na buli musajja gw'oyagala, you end up crying.
Just omanyi bya relationships si byangu mwana. It refused. I'm not going to sit there and guma. Okitegeera? Sijja kikola ekyo. So if things don't work out, I get out. Nze njagala omusajja who is going to come and develop me. We develop together. He's also doing well. I'm doing well. And we appreciate each other. Not omusajja ajana with rules and regulations. Because you're a woman, you must go and cook. Nedda sebo. Okitegeera?
What is the role of the woman in marriage?
A role of the woman. You see, the problem is that Africa, tuchali mabega mentally. Mulowooza nti a woman is supposed to be a slave to a man. That's what you want. So when you say a woman is not a slave to a man, mutandika kugamba nti oyo ayagala ayoze ebuwale byabwe. No. I'm just saying a woman can also be of value. A woman can also bring something to the table. You get it, eh?
Yes, I'm getting it.
So what's the problem with that? it doesn't mean she doesn't want to be married. She means she wants someone who can, we tukule fembi, we elevate each other.
Of recently wali mu relationship with Daddy Andre and mu breaking up okuba nti yagana ogenda for HIV test. But chichi buli musakazi gwabera naye they don't settle. Wamuloga uli mulogo.
No, sidi mulogo.
Okay.
But of course, somebody, when you've been with the best, it's not easy.
Hey, what do you mean by the best?
When you've been associated with the best, it's not easy after that. It's downhill after that.
Yeah? You're good.
More than.
More than good.
I consider myself a diamond, honey. I'm a rare jewel. And why? Because I love to be a woman who brings value to the table. I want to always be a woman who brings value to the table. Yeah.
When was your last time to cook?
I don't cook, honey. Maybe in the US. Maybe in the US.
What happened between you and the guy in the US?
My ex-husband?
Yes.
Just Ghana, you know. Yeah. I was too young. I was in my teens. I was too young to be married anyway. Just Ghana.
Your years okula and you showing nothing bintu bya love tokule noberanga mukadanyirira
munange. I don't know why muteka too much emphasis on marriage and children. I don't understand it. Because that's not really an achievement. An achievement can't be something that everybody can do so easily and effortlessly. That's not an achievement. Achievement is hustling, making money out there, you know, doing serious stuff. So to me, that's my focus. The families will come later when the time comes. And I have time. So.
Abasajja abakulu bakutama, there is some rumors around town abagamba nti you want obwana obutovuka nganze big daddy.
But who is starting this rumor? That is so not true, Ananga, you people. Me, I don't have a choice. As long as somebody is above 18 and they are speaking sense and they come correct, I have no problem.
Oba love yakutama because olowooza nti abasajja baagala kubba sente yo.
There is also that problem I have. But others just that I don't even have the time, you know. But me, I'm open even to being married again, but I know kujja correct.
Waliwo last still some allegations ezavanga ziraga nti you were dating with an Nigerian artist. The other guy, Marwan.
Nigerian?
Yes.
Jamaican?
Yeah, Jamaican. Yes, Jamaican.
But we weren't dating. That was just an incident, a night that went wrong. It was a night that went south.
Explain that to the people.
That I wasn't dating the Jamaican. We just come from the studio, excited, happy, excitement.com. Okay. Then from there went Chicken Tonight and things went south. Then from there it was for police, it was for court, it was for the guys who attacked us and beat us in the Chicken Night was sent to prison for a year and a half. So it was just an excited night that just ended so unfortunately.
Yes.
Now you're reaching. Ata abalala who've received so many blessings.
Yagwa relationships zabeeramu zonna tasettlinga.
That's not my problem.
Chicken Tonight
No, that's not my problem. For me, I know that when on my side I'm doing well, things are moving. I just thank God.
Angela, oyinayo ku mwana?
Sina mwana. Sirina.
At that age, tulaba okulibira Angela.
Omanyi mubala emyaka zange instead of focusing on your own. Okitegeera. So simanyi, first of all, you don't know my age. You're just going to continue guessing. Mwenda mu guessing just. Temumanyi emyaka zange. So mubale byange temubale ezizo. Okitegeera nze I know I'm developing gwe muli awo mu bibuuzo.
Katuswale eri audience. Ne bafani bo. Tell us your true age.
Nedda bambi, never. Nze bya age, sibyogera bya age.
Wafumbirwa oyina emyaka emeka.
This one thinks he's now very clever. But I was young, I was in my teens. I was young. I got married too young.
You were 19.
But you continue guessing.
Ne Angela.
But you guys, do I look this good? Because the obsession of my age. Imagine what it means to me. Abantu baloza, I'm so old, but bebandaba they are like, wow. So that's the confusion. Jemulimu. Tebundaba. Chemba kola.
Angela, like, have you ever been in a serious relationship?
Yes, I was married.
Kale, waliko mu serious relationship. Naye ensonga ziri z'okuba nti munne kale olubuto lwakwatayo nogaye.
Olubuto?
Kumwana like pregnant.
No, I don't have a child. Sina abana.
Katono nnyo. When was your last time to have sex?
Have you heard the question?
I'm serious.
You see why I've been avoiding you guys for all these months? The same questions that don't end. I hear, when was the last time I had sex?
Because you don't have a boyfriend.
And when I avoid you guys, you say I'm avoiding you guys.
You don't have to avoid us.
So I should now come on TV and start telling you the last time I had sex. And you also want me now to talk and say,
Mukadanyirira.
Mbiranze. Siri mukadde, I wish you knew.
Sorry mukadanyirira.
Just nyirira. I think now these men are just in love. You listen to the questions here. Munange, that's my private business. Mbiranze.
Lwaki abakyala nga mwevumbiridde nnyo okuwasa naddala mu America okuwasa abavubuka recently twalabye mukwano gwo Nfanfe o Desire Luzinda ng'akoze emikolo ne Levikson abe naawe tugambe mu wano mu line gy'okutte.
But how is that my business? Bebakoze ebintu byabwe nze nkola ebintu byange. I follow my things, I do my things in my time, my way. Ate tewali agenda kunteeka ku pressure. So there's nothing I'm following and there's no direction I'm going except the Angella Katatumba direction, which is stress free.
Does this say that musajja you're going to come out publicly or you're public after me since you go later public?
My dear, even in public,